Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been like a month or two since my last video, and I haven't given any updates. So, let me show you where I've been and what I've been doing. Here is a 67 Bug. Now, it has been going all about. Took it to Terryville, which there's going to be a video of. Mark's Cruise Night. Cruising on Main Street in Manchester, Connecticut. It's done. I'm happy with it the way it is. Really have no intentions. Gonna swap out the radio for the Sapphire 8, which is the 8-track player. I retightened the wheel bearings, replaced the bearings on that side, tightened down the steering column to the steering box, and straightened out the steering wheel. Thing is minty now. The Bug engine is doing great. The oil pan must have gotten over torqued because a couple of them don't tighten. They will just have to come out, and I'm going to replace them with the step studs they sell. Bug City has them for $2 a piece. It'll be fine, but like I said, everything's really nice. Garage has gone a mess again, but let me show you something. Right there is a Type 4 Volkswagen engine. That's for my bus. Turns over, got the spark. Should be pretty cool. I had to get carb belts, the Baby Dallas dual Delorto carburetors from the early 1990s, late 1980s. Here is the Plymouth. You'll notice it's in the front yard, and it might look a little different. Yes, I fixed the rust on the quarter panels. Now, I didn't do it the right way, because the only reason I did it was there was a show coming up, Cruising on Main, and I said, hey, I want to bring both cars. I think it'd be pretty cool to have my police car there. So, I did use metal. Then I used some plastic, straightened it, painted this side, except for the fender. I rolled it on this edge, painted both doors fully. This is PPG Omni single stage metallic. This side, painted the whole quarter panel, blended it off in the pillar, polished the rest of the car. Siren and such equipped, doors locked though. Also, I don't know if I filmed any of it before. I've replaced the radiator with an aluminum one, replaced the timing cover, timing chain, water pump, etc. Yes guys, it's here. It's rusty. It needs repair. This is what I love to do though. So this is the interior, and it's the first time you'll be seeing it, and I'll be seeing it from this angle in 2 years. So what am I doing now? Well, I have a lot of video to edit. This one's going to be going out before anything else, just so you know I'm still around, which I am. It's August. I'd like to register my Dodge truck, because I'd like to use it, possibly. You'd have to get a carburetor rebuilt yet. That is a Holly 2-barrel carburetor. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you understand why I haven't been putting out a lot of content. I think it's been like a month or two since my last video, and that was me starting the engine rebuild on the Bug, which obviously worked because I've been driving it all about. I do have some stuff in the car for it. I'm going to redo some of the studs and nuts on the oil sump plate because they're kind of on the fritz, but you know, we'll get it done. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you can see the amount of projects I have going. Should not be done. Alright, you got a Bug, a Plymouth, a bus, a Dodge truck over yonder. The Volvo I daily drive still has snow tires on it, alright? I haven't had time. So, hopefully you understand that. But there's going to be a ton of videos coming out soon because the bus, like I said, I think, I fixed the sliding door track, which is normally cited as one of the hardest repairs you can do, and I did it. And I made a video showing it because there's only one good video I can find from a guy in England. He does a really great job of explaining how to remove it and doesn't show how to install it. I tried both. We'll see. The Bug, I've taken it to a lot of shows, so I got a couple clips from Cruising on Main, a bit of stuff from Terryville, driving it. The Plymouth, I didn't film any of the painting. I didn't think it'd be that interesting to anyone, but, you know. So, hopefully you'll watch this, because who knows what YouTube's going to do after a month and a half of my channel being dormant. But if you do, and you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button. And if you're new around here, subscribe, because I'd love to see you subscribed and watching the videos when they come out, because when they come out, I put a lot of effort into them. So, I'll see you guys in the next one, and until then, goodbye.